Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the limit reached problem on Fubo using an iPhone. This error usually means too many devices are streaming at the same time. Don't worry, it is easy to fix. Let's get started. First, open your Fubo app on your phone. Fubo allows limited number to stream at one time. If too many people are watching using the same account, you will see limit reach message. To fix this, you need to stop extra streamers. First, check if Fubo is open on another iPhone, iPad, smart TV, computer, anything. Ask other users to close the Fubo app completely. Once they stop watching, try opening Fubo again on your iPhone. Sometimes poor internet can cause error. Turn off Wi-Fi, then turn it on again, or switch to mobile data and test the app. This can quickly fix the issue. You can also go to the App Store if there is an update for Fubo. If not, close the app and restart your iPhone, then open Fubo again. If many people use your account daily, you may need a plan with more streamers. Upgrading allows more devices to watch at the same time. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.